Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to export all of the material textures of your 3D models in Blender 4.1 in just one click, and everything will just look like this. You can see just one click it is going to export all of the materials, textures, and it will include the normal maps, roughness, etc. And then the locations of the texture will be just beside your blend file. I just let you see. You can see this is my blend file, and then with just one click you can export all of the materials texture in a folder named textures, and everything will just make automatically just like this. So start from now, I'm going to show you the step by step. Alright, so now I'm going to close this blend file. I don't save anything yet. Now you can see, now I have a 3D model, I have a Blender project. I just double click to open, and now it is automatically opened by using the Blender 4.1. Alright, to just export all of the materials texture in one click as the JPG or PNG image, what you need to do is just click File, External Data, make sure you tick automatically pack resources one time. Next, you have to go to tick the second time to untick it. Next, click File again, go to the External Data, click Unpack Resources and choose the first ones, use files in current directory, create when necessary. Click it, then you can see it automatically create a textures folder here. When you just double click to open it, all of the material textures included the normal map, roughness, etc. everything will just exported as PNG and JPG file inside the folder, and you no need to just export it one by one. This is how am I going to export all of the materials in just one click. You can get all of the JPG and PNG images. Right, that's all for today about my tutorials on the texture exporting in Blender 4.1, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!